Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make digital planners to sell on Etsy using Canva. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, digital planners are famous products that are currently being sold in Etsy and other e-commerce platform out there. And in today's video, we will be demonstrating to you guys how you will be able to do it on your own through Canva. Now, like I mentioned, we will be using Canva, and if you're not familiar with Canva, Canva is an amazing platform that would allow us to build any type of project, whether it's a video, social media, presentation, or just a simple project such as creating a digital planner. And so we will be using Canva. Now, what I suggest that you guys do first is to visit Etsy and simply search digital planners in Etsy so that you have an idea on what type of product or what type of digital planner you should aim to create, how much content there should be, and all of those things. So, for example, we have this ADHD digital planner over here. You could open this one and we will be redirected to another page. Over here, you can see all the descriptions available in it. So simply research, look through the different information inside, then we could get some notes, take notes of what the contents are. For example, over here you have some savings bar or like the IV or DIY planning, all of the stuff. You should create a list of the different pages that you want to have, whether it's a simple calendar, a to-do list, a chore list, or a meal plan. Any of those categories, you should create your own before you start creating something in Canva. Now, let's assume that you have already built an outline. You have planned what you want to build. Now, for us, let's say I want to build a meal plan. That's one of the categories or one page of my digital planner. So simply go over here in Canva. We have two options. You either search in the search bar digital planner, and then you will be able to see a lot of different templates for you to choose from and modify, or we could click on create a design, custom size, and then we could simply enter the size that we want to create, or rather the canvas that we want to work on. But for us, let's go with the search bar and simply search digital planner. Now this will save us time figuring out the dimensions of our work. So over here, as you can see, we have a lot of templates over here. Like I mentioned earlier, one method that you guys could do is you could simply open existing template and you could customize it however you want. For example, with what I am doing right now, I chose this Beige daily planner over here. And like I mentioned earlier, we want to create a meal plan. So I chose this planner. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply select the different elements. Now, all the elements that you are seeing right now on your screen can be edited, as you can see here, like a typical Canva element. So for example, over here, daily planner, now we can just change that to meal plan. Now this template is perfect for meal plan because as you can see, there will be a time frame over here available. So you could simply have that, and what people would usually do is just they will simply write or type in what they plan to eat during the day, as you can see here. And then you have here the date wherein you will be working, or the date that you are recording for your meal plan. And then you have your today's focus. You could say we could change that to today's reward, I guess, or today's dessert to reward yourself for doing a good job. You could also add some to-do lists if you want, or notes over here. So for the notes, let's say you could add like you need to drink some medicine, something like that. You could use that as important notes. So that's what they can put in the important notes. Now, we are not limited to what the template gave us. So we could add more things by simply clicking on elements and then simply searching for the different things that you want to add. So for example, let's say meal. Then you can click on graphics, and then you can see here a lot of different graphics that represents meal. So let's say over here, fancy design, I guess. And there we go. We will be able to see some meal designs over here. You can simply look for the one that you like the most. It will take time to build your design, so don't rush it. So for example, I have this. I could simply put it beside the meal plan over here, and I could change the transparency to a bit transparent, just like that. And you can put it anywhere that you want. You could even put it behind the meal plan if you want. And you can build your design or like make subtle changes, make it look more appealing. You can add this one over here, just like that. This one bigger, just like that. And you could have like a very simple design for your output. Now we could simply position this one to the back. As you can see here, simply dragging it so that we are able to have the design behind our original design. There we go. It's not a bit visible, but we can fix that, something like that. Just like that. And then we could have like a very simple design over here. Now you could now just make use of all these elements. You can even use text over here. If you don't like the font, you can change it to whatever font combination that you want. You can simply do that. Now, let's assume that I have created the meal plan, which is this one over here. Now, what you're going to need to do is, of course, create another page. You're not simply going to sell 1 or 2 or 5 pages of a digital planner. You need to make an entire digital planner that would make people want to buy your product or your digital planner, because you offer a lot of features which are typically not present on other digital product. You need to stand out, so you need to make a lot of designs. And you can have good designs like this one, but I don't suggest that you only stick to one theme. Yes, you can create an entire digital planner sticking to one design, but you should create multiple types of designs so that you have more options to upload in Etsy and sell. And let's check out one more designs over here. For example, the first one over here, let's check out how they did theirs. You can see here, digital planner, hyperlink, work planner, vertical and horizontal. As you can see here, they went with a notebook style, as you can see here. We could replicate this if you want. It's completely up to you. So over here, this one is a portrait, so you could simply click on magic switch, and then you could go with a portrait design. Let's see, a desktop wallpaper over here. Continue. We could click on resize this design after loading. There we go. And there we go. And now we have your original meal plan over here. Let's leave this one in the back. Simply select all of this, put it on the left side, and let's go with notebook spring. There we go. And as you can see, you could like get a notebook spring over here, and then you could drag it just like that. Or if you don't want it to be that big, you can simply duplicate it just like that. Very easy, just like that. Now we were able to like replicate the design that we saw over here at the top. Then you can simply add whatever design or whatever page you want over here on the right side, whether it's a normal calendar or some to-do list. It's completely up to you. But after creating your Fig or Canva design, simply click on share and click on download over here, which would allow you to download it with PNG, PDF, or PDF print. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.